Oh, it is on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm back with another unboxing. This is the T-Fal Kitchen Solutions Ceramic Non-Stick 5-quart covered jumbo cooker. I purchased one last year. It was a baby blue and black one. And I love these jumbo cookers. They're good quality material. Okay guys, so it's time to unbox it. Okay guys, so this is it out the box. This is the lid. And you can see this has nice sturdy handles on it. And it also comes with the paper where you can register your product online. Okay guys, as you can see on the lid, it has a nice sturdy handle and it says T-Fal. On the inside of the cooker, it has T-Fal tips for longer lasting ceramic nonstick. The inside is gray. So it says when the dots on the rim of our T-Fal logo on your pan disappear, it means that the pan is preheated and ready for cooking delicious meals. It's easy to clean. Hand wash your ceramic nonstick cookware with soft sponge and warm soapy water. And protect the surface. Use soft cooking utensils on the ceramic nonstick surface such as silicones, nylon, or wood. Then it says enjoy the glide. Use oil or butter as needed on our ceramic nonstick cookware for healthy cooking. And as you can see, the logo is not ready when you have all the little lines going around, and when it's ready, it'll turn a solid color. So we're going to go ahead and remove the sticker, and as you can see, the logo is right there in the center. This is way different than the one I had previously purchased. So remember, with this one, the logo right here will turn all red when it's properly heated. Guys, this is what the bottom of our jumbo cooker looks like. As I said, they have nice sturdy handles on them. Okay guys, so I have my jumbo cooker on the stove heating up. So we're going to see when it's heated properly if it's like they said, the rim of the logo turns totally red. Okay guys, as you can see, the little lines are fading. And yes, they are correct. It does turn all red when heated. So guys, for $17.99, this was absolutely worth it. I picked it up at Walmart. The previous one that I got was only $12.99, but this is like an upgrade to that one. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?